Welcome everyone in today's video of quick guide.
Don't know how to install Pepperstone app in your mobile device? Don't worry, I'll teach you step-by-step guide to how to download and install Pepperstone app in your mobile device. To do this, first install Play Store, stop on it, and then search for the keyword Pepperstone in your Play Store search. And as you can see, there's a Pepperstone Seed Trader in the search result. Click on this app and simply click on this install button. As you can see, the download process is started. It needs some time to get installed. Just have some patience. Finally, the Pepperstone Seed Trader app is installed on my device. Let's check it out the app in the app section. And there it is. The app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.